This is the best book from Usborne. It's the most best-selling book and it is usually out of stock. It's Look Inside Your Body. It's for age 5 plus, but you can start with around the age of 3 and 4, so that when the child is not tearing off the flaps, you can definitely get it. It's a reference book and you can also read it for your knowledge and to brush up the things. It has over 100 flaps and see, it starts with, it has written everything, which page has what, and then you have basics like what is this is chest, this is tummy, and then you have muscles inside and which muscles are used for what sort of exercise. So that is it. This is the most loved page by everyone. So I think when you eat chop chomp and you eat from the fridge, what happens to the food? And you can see there is gastric juices and then there is intestine. So there are flaps under flaps. And what happens there as well. So the best part about Look Inside series is there are flaps under flaps and it keeps your child constantly engaged to this book. It's really eye-catching and children learn the concept of your body, which is very important. Maybe one day they would like to become a doctor, and what is heart, lungs, and you can see here you can actually open this up, the whole arterial and the venous system, and then the blood is pumped through heart in what way. And see, if you put your hands on your ribs as you breathe, you can feel your chest getting wider. So that can be seen, and you can do the other way around as well. And here you go, it's about the bones and how many bones we have, the skeletal system, and this is about the knee joint. Then there is a hinge, and that is how you open the joint. So this can be opened up. If you have bad fall, you can break a bone and you can have a plaster. So this is really cute. And then if once you have the plaster cast, you can actually, your bone can start to heal. Isn't this cute? And this is everything has two dual flaps inside this thing. And this is the best part. So every area of our brain works. So there are different parts of the brain. Some of them are working with the memory, some of them are working with the talking, moving, touching, everything. So your brain is so complex, and some of the things even we can learn, that left and right part of the brain. So there are two halves and they are joined in the middle. And see, this is important. Sleeping gives rest to your brain. And here you go, your memory is how your brain stores the information from your own name to knowing how you tie your shoelaces. So I think everything, so there are a lot of senses. So whenever there is a sound, how does your eardrum works, how does your sight works, how does your smell, and everything from touching. So these are all the senses we have. And this is like growing healthy. What do you do? So, and then there are some of the body facts. So you will spend, the fun fact is, you will spend 22 years of your life sleeping. Did you know that? So it's a most actually it excites each and every parent to see their child reading this book, and it does interest children.